Good morning everybody, and welcome to another just got out of bed scruffy hairdo. It's day 30. We've virtually been doing this a month now. Right, I hope you enjoyed last night's video with the footage of the fox. Really pleased with that. Finally captured it in the field, proving it does actually go in there. I always suspected it, but now we've got the proof. And I hope you had a chance to watch the full-length video as well. If you haven't, I suggest you go and watch that because there's some really good footage. It was a very wary fox. It could obviously sense, well, it could obviously see the dim sort of red LED light that comes on, I think, when the camera triggers. And tripped over a tree stump. Yeah, it was obviously very wary of that. So I'm just on my way now to collect the camera in its new location, overlooking the stream, because that's the footage I want to get. I want to prove that it does cross at the stream from the field to the woodland. So let's go and find out. Let's go and get it. Okay, that's where I put the camera last night. That is overlooking where I think the crossing point is, either through this stream here, or if it's really clever it might go over that little bridge there. And just behind us, this is where we caught the footage of the fox the first time. So I think it's coming over the stream and then coming around here and then going off into the woods. But that is yet to be proved. So we've got scratch marks there. Again, I don't know whether it's a fox or just a dog. But these are things I need to pick up on so that when I come back again another day, I can see if there's any others. Right, there's a smell around here. Like it. Yep, there's a definite smell around here, so it's obviously left a mark. No Mr. Rat. Right, didn't get that piece. But I did put a piece on that string there. Hopefully have it high enough for the get away from the rat. But I'm just thinking now, the rat, I did it in the dark. The rat might have been able to climb up and get that. All the other pieces have gone. I put a lot down here. Again, the rat might have got this. Looks like the nuts have gone as well. So encouraging. Is there any up here? That's all gone. Right. Who knows? We'll check when we get back. There's a footprint there. It's very difficult to tell, but it does look. There's another one. It's a very small pad at the back. So it could be the fox coming across here. You can see where it's gone, from there to there, and potentially in there, and then across there. There's some more mud over there. I'll have to check that. There's a really good print there, but it's going the other way. It's going back into the stream. I'm not 100% convinced what that is. Some more there, some more prints there. Again going into the stream. That could be the dog. So I've just collected the camera and I've carried on my walk into the fields, and I'm picking up another scent marking. But the good thing about this one is that I came in right over there. That's where the stream is, and that's about there is where the fox sighting was from the previous night's video. but it now tells me that the fox is wandering over here. So it's walked quite a way, so that's given me a lot of give me some more information. So I'm just going to mark this spot and we'll carry on, see if we can find any more scent markings. Damn, I was so close to the buzzard then. Sun's starting to come up now. I'll carry on through the woodland and then go for my walk down the bridleway. Just spotted those scratch marks on the post where I hung the bait from. I wonder, some more around the back there as well. Here's another one of them tree holes with the little tiny bird droppings at the bottom. A great little home for something. Right, I'm having to walk right up against the hedge here, so the sun's not in my eyes too much. Last night I got home from setting the camera, and I'd done my editing, video editing, and I just put the telly on, and there was a programme on about, it was all about people starting a new life in the country, and there was a couple had sold the house, bought a house somewhere else near the countryside. But what they'd also done is the money they'd saved from buying this smaller house, the sun's really in my eyes now, they bought themselves some woodland, 4 acre of woodland, cost them 53 grand, and then they were going to develop the woodland to allow wildlife photographers to come and sit in the hides. He'd set up little feeding posts for birds of prey. He'd created paths through the woodland. He'd got beehives. He'd even set up a bushcrafting sort of parachute tent to sit under and teach bushcraft, even though he knew absolutely nothing about bushcraft at all. And I thought, I could do that. That'd be brilliant. That would be absolutely brilliant. I'd love that. Wouldn't have to worry about people wandering around, dog walkers getting in the way and watching me film, and it'd be perfect. So 53 grand. So if you can all start donating £1 now, then you know, shouldn't take too long to rustle that money together. And then once I buy the woodland, I'll just invite you all down and we'll have a big bushcraft gathering. Yeah, deal? So I've done 3 videos in a row now where I've shot the majority of the footage in the morning, and I have to say I prefer it that way around. So last night I had one goal in mind when I placed the camera. I wanted to be able to capture the fox going from the field into the woodland via the stream, whether that be going over the little bridge or actually going through the stream. Unfortunately, I got neither of those. However, I did get something a lot cooler than that. Take a look. So there you go. Although it wasn't real close-up footage, it was really interesting to watch and taught me quite a lot, and it just proved what I've suspected for a long while, that the fox does come from the field, across the stream and into the woods, and that's exactly what it did. But I just didn't expect it to do that leap of faith, so I was really pleased with that. I couldn't believe when I watched it. So I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, give us a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button here or the one down below, and don't forget to click on that bell icon so you don't miss out on the next video. Okay, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.